Hey friends, John here, and welcome back to Daily English TV. You are here again, and that means something important. It means you care about your growth. It means you believe in your future. And it means you have not given up on your dream to speak English confidently. And let me tell you, that already makes you different from millions of people. Most people want to improve, but they don't take action. They wish, but they don't move. You, my friend, are moving. Maybe slow, maybe with difficulty, but still moving forward. So before we begin, let's appreciate that. Pause for a moment, take a slow breath, and say softly, I am improving. I am becoming better. I am proud of myself. Good. Because today, this session is not just about English. It is about growing as a person, changing your mindset, awakening your confidence, and building a new identity, a confident English speaker.
Every great journey starts with a feeling. Maybe your journey started when someone laughed at your English. Maybe when you couldn't answer in class. Maybe when you went to an interview and felt nervous. Maybe when someone spoke English confidently and you thought, I wish I could speak like that. Sometimes dreams begin with pain. Sometimes they begin with inspiration. But all dreams need one thing, a decision. Not, I want to learn English, but I will learn English, no matter what, no matter how long it takes. That moment, that decision is the true beginning. You are not learning English for just words. You are learning English for confidence, opportunity, and freedom. When you speak English, new doors open. Job opportunities, travel freedom, global knowledge, new friendships, higher confidence, a stronger personality. English is not just a language. It is a superpower in today's world. And you are building that superpower right now.
Let's be honest. Most schools teach English like math. Rules, grammar, exams, textbooks. Memorize everything, but speak nothing. You studied English for years, but when it's time to speak, words disappear. Why? Because the system teaches information, not communication. It teaches grammar, not confidence. It teaches rules, not real speaking practice. In school, you studied English, but life requires you to use English. Here's the truth. Fluency is not about knowing English. Fluency is about feeling comfortable in English. We don't need perfect English. We need living English. Like this, natural, simple, human. Before your mouth can speak English, your mind must believe you can speak English. Fluency begins here, inside your thoughts. Let me ask you, do you ever say things like, my English is bad, I cannot speak well, I am scared of mistakes, people will judge me? These thoughts are not grammar problems. These thoughts are confidence problems. And confidence is a skill. It can be trained. So repeat after me. I am learning. I am improving. I don't need to be perfect. I only need to be better than yesterday. Mistakes are not failures. They are proof you are trying. Children make thousands of mistakes, and that is why they learn fast. Adults fear mistakes, and that is why they learn slow. Today, Release that fear. Mistakes do not make you weak. They make you stronger.
Listening is the mother of speaking. Before a child speaks, the child listens for months and months. Listening programs your brain. It trains your ear. It shapes your accent. It builds your internal English voice. Every time you listen, your brain forms new connections. Slowly, quietly, naturally. Even if you understand 40 to 50%, it's enough. Understanding comes later. Exposure comes first. Think of music. You don't need to study a song to sing it. You hear it many times, and your brain absorbs it. Do the same with English. Listen to English like music. Podcasts, YouTube, Netflix with subtitles, English songs, interviews, daily English TV. Listen every day, even for 10 minutes. It will change everything. Shadowing means repeating what you hear immediately. Not perfect, not slow. Just copy like a baby learning to talk. Right now, repeat after me slowly. I can speak English. Again, I can speak English. I am training my voice. Again, I am training my voice. Speaking is becoming easy for me. Again, speaking is becoming easy for me. Your mouth learns. Your tongue learns. Your brain learns. This is not magic. This is muscle training. Language is a habit of the tongue. Practice daily, and fluency becomes natural. You don't need to think big sentences. Start small. When you wake up, say in your mind, "Wake up time. Brush my teeth. I am hungry. I need tea. I feel good. I am learning English." Small thoughts become big fluency. English must live in your head, not as a guest, as a resident.
Silent reading helps your brain. Reading aloud helps your brain plus voice plus accent. Choose simple stories. Children's books are great. Short news. Easy articles. Read like you're telling a story to someone. Slow, clear, emotional. Your voice gets stronger. Your pronunciation becomes natural. Your confidence rises. Here is your daily fluency routine. Listening, 10 minutes. Shadowing, 5 minutes. Thinking in English, 5 minutes. Reading aloud, 10 minutes. Speaking to yourself, 5 minutes. Just 35 minutes a day. Life-changing results. Not difficult, not stressful, just consistent. Remember, small daily steps build big fluency. Some days English feels easy. Some days English feels heavy. This is normal. This is growth. Just like gym days, some days your body feels strong. Some days tired. But you don't quit gym, so don't quit English. Say to yourself, I am allowed to struggle. I am allowed to learn slowly. I am allowed to take time. But I am not allowed to quit.
Slow progress is still progress. Tiny improvement is still improvement. You are growing, even if you don't notice it yet. Stop saying, I am learning English. Start saying, I am an English speaker. Not future, not someday, now. Because when your identity changes, your actions follow. And when your actions change, your future changes. Imagine yourself 12 months from now. You are speaking confidently. You understand English movies. You can talk to anyone. You feel proud. People respect your skills. Your life has more opportunities. That future version of you is real. And every minute you practice, you walk toward them. Do not give up on them. Repeat with me. I am capable. I am improving. I will be fluent. I am on the right path. I believe in myself. Every day, speak a little. Listen a little. Think a little. Read a little. And one day, people will ask you, how did you learn English so well? And you will smile and say, I didn't study English, I lived English. Thank you for listening to Daily English TV. I am proud of you. You are growing every day. Never stop. Never doubt yourself. See you in the next episode. Take care and keep shining.